Hello everyone and welcome to Integrity online course. In this video, we're going to discuss about Pythagorean Theorem, which is a mathematical theorem that governs the correlation between the three sides of a right-angled triangle. In Pythagorean Theorem, it states that the hypotenuse is the same as the result of the square root of the sum of the other side's square. So first, we need to draw a right-angled triangle. A right-angled triangle is a triangle that has one 90-degree angle in one of the three angles. And now let's state each side as A, B, and C, with C being the hypotenuse. As I've mentioned earlier, the Pythagorean theorem is govern these three sides and the correlation that it has, which stated as below. C, or the length of C, the length of the hypotenuse, is equal as A square plus B square. And you put a square root out of those. So, for example, one of the most iconic triplets, as what we call the numbers that makes a Pythagorean theorem, is the triplets of 3, 4, and 5, with 5 being the hypotenuse or the value of C. For example, let me give you a problem. If the length of A equals to 3 and B equals to 4, find the length of C. Here, we need to apply the Pythagorean theorem. C is equal to the square root of A square plus B square. Substituting A with 3, we have 3 squares, and B with 4 square. Now it's equals to the square root of 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16. So we can get the value of C as the square root of 25 or 5. And here you have the first triplets of Pythagorean theorem. And this triplets also applies for any multiplications of the triplets. For example, if we change the value of A, for example, we change it to 6, and B, this is the new value of B, is 8. Now we need to find the length C. I will show you that it's going to be the same in correlation to the triplets. Now we have the value of A is 6, so it's 6 square plus 8 square. So it's now the square root of 36 plus 64, or C is equal to the square root of 100, which is 10. As you can see, 6, 8, and 10 is a multiplications of the first triplet, which is 3, 4, and 5, and it was multiplied by 2. That is the basic of Pythagorean theorem. We're going to continue on the next video. Thank you.